In this video today, we will see what to do if you cannot connect to the App Store in your iPhone or iPad to download the applications. We will start with the basics at first. So the first thing what you have to do is you have to check if there is an internet connection in your iPhone or not. And the easiest way to check if there is an internet connection in your iPhone or iPad is to open a website or play any YouTube videos. And if you see that you have a problem with the internet connection, then what you have to do is, if you are using data, then make sure that you have data left in your iPhone, or else if you are using Wi-Fi, then make sure that you are in the Wi-Fi coverage area. And also what you can do is you can restart the router and check if this will fix the issue. Now the next thing what you have to do is you have to restart your iPhone or iPad. Sometimes restarting the iPhone or iPad fixes many of the minor issues. Now after you have done these two things, the other thing what you can do is you can check if the Apple server is running or if it is down due to some reason. For that one, we will open a website called apple.com/support/system status. This is the website, apple.com/support/system status. So once you open the website, then what you do, tap on this plus icon here and make sure that this option App Store is available. Suppose if you see that App Store is unavailable at the moment, then this is not the problem in your device. This is the problem with the Apple server, and in that case you have to wait until the issue is fixed. Now the other thing what you have to check is you have to make sure that there is correct date and time set in your iPhone or iPad according to the place where you are residing. So for that one, we will go to settings, then we will go to general, then we will go to date and time. And suppose if this option is not set to automatically, then make sure that it is set automatically so that iPhone or iPad can set the time according to the SIM card that is present in your device. Now suppose that if iPhone cannot set the time automatically according to the SIM card that is present in the iPhone, then in that case might be you have disabled location services in your iPhone, due to which your iPhone is not able to determine the location. So in that case what you can do is you can again go back to the settings, scroll down, and you have to go to this option privacy, go to location services and make sure that this location services is on so that the iPhone can determine the location of your device, and then the time can be set automatically according to the SIM card that you are using. Now the other thing what you can do is you can also try to update your iPhone software to the latest version. Sometimes there may be a problem with the current version of the iOS software that you have installed, and the new update might fix the issue. So for that one, we will go to settings, we will go to general, and we will go to software update. The device will check if there is an update available. For me, my iPhone software is up to date, but for you, if there is an update pending, then try to update your iOS software to the latest version and check if this will fix the issue. Now suppose that if you open the App Store and if it seems that you are connected to the App Store but you cannot download the application from the App Store, then what you can do is you can do two things in that case. Open the App Store, and then what we will do is we will clear the cache for the App Store. Now if you want to clear the cache files for the App Store, what you can do is you can tap on any of the icons for 5-6 times. So once you tap on any of the icons for 5-6 times, then what happens is the cache files will be automatically cleared. And the other thing what you can do is you can sign out of the App Store and then sign in again to check if this will fix the issue. Now if you are using iOS 14 and the later versions, then if you want to sign out of the App Store, then what you have to do is you have to go to the App Store, then tap on the profile icon. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and there is an option here, sign out. So you have to press this option, sign out, and select done. Now you have signed out of the App Store. And if you want to sign in again, you have to type on this profile icon. You have to enter the Apple ID and then password in order to sign into the App Store again. So I have entered my Apple ID and password, then I will tap on sign in button. So I have signed into the App Store and then I will select done. Now the last thing what you have to do is, suppose if you are using a VPN app in order to connect to the internet, then try to disable the VPN and check if you can connect to the App Store. Now especially if you are using free VPN, then what happens is when you connect to the VPN, then for the first few seconds or few minutes you will see that you are connected to the VPN, but after that, even though it shows that you are connected to the internet, there won't be internet in your iPhone or iPad. So try disconnecting from the VPN and check if this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.